In this video, I will show you how to cancel Easyjet ticket. So friends, follow me in this video. First, go to manage booking, log in and sign in with your account and with your own information. After signing in with your information, look for cancellation process. If this method not work, you can use contact us option. Scroll down till see this option. Scroll down, click on the claim tax refund. Choose this one. This is a request, and then scroll down, choose your question, for example refund, this one for ticket, and then choose your question. I want, for example, I want to cancel my ticket. So friends, write your all details, such your name, such your last name, and then choose your booking reference. After that, click on name of your bookers, choose your flight date from here. Choose your depart and choose your arrival. So friends, choose your depart and arrival, choose your passenger name or booking, write your country, your international codes, and then choose your file. After that, click submit here. Basically, this is how you can do it. These easy steps. I hope this guide helpful for you. Don't forget to give like and give share this